Are you bored of your bland, basic outfits? Got loads of clothes, but nothing to wear? Feel like you look the same every single day? Behold, the time has come to look boring no more. The days of you trying on 5,393 outfits every morning just to hate each one of them are finally over. Fashion students, welcome to my school. Thank you for enrolling by clicking on this video. I'm Sarah and today we're taking your bland, dusty, musty, two-dimensional outfits and turning them into something really cute. Because all my viewers, with my help, can look very cute. Lesson number 1. Now you may have learned this from your previous studies, and that is jewellery. Coco Chanel once said, before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take one thing off. Now in my opinion, she's wrong. Stack your rings, pile on the necklaces, it makes all the difference to your outfit. Just look at this before and after. Before, it's boring, bland, basic, nothing really going on. And after, the jewellery adds those finishing touches that just makes the outfit look complete. Not to mention, this is a key way to show off your personal style and make the outfit a little bit more you. For me, I like to add a little bit of gothic, regal hints, so I do that through my rings. I've got here a sword ring, a black gem ring, a heart with a sword through it, an eye ring, and adding these to my outfits adds the drama that I love. Lesson 2. Now, God was being kind when he made the floor gross, dirty, muddy, and potentially dangerous because it allowed humanity to create shoes. Heels, boots, sneakers, shoes can change the entire vibe of an outfit. Let's say you have on jeans and a t-shirt. Heels dress it up, sneakers dress it down. Instead of your same old beat up Converse, try something different. Different colours, different heels, a chunky sole maybe? It will spice things up. Now of course, if you have good shoes, you need a cute bag. Bags can accentuate your style, bring out different colours, different styles. For example, if you're going for a classic grown-up look, a sleek black bag will emphasise that style. Or if you're into streetwear or colour, a small edgy or coloured bag will add to that style. Feeling nostalgic for the 90s? Add a shoulder bag. Oh, and bonus points if your bag matches your shoes. Now this one is easily overlooked because it takes a lot of effort, but making sure your hair, nails and makeup are done actually does wonders for your outfit. It adds that clean cut look. Even greasy hair looks better in a low bun. I may have the best outfit, but if my hair is flat and my makeup's cakey, I'm gonna feel the worst there and lose all my confidence. Lesson 5. Alter your basics. If you wear basics, which this is what the video is about, you need to look good and feel confident in them from every single angle. Or you won't want to wear them, and when you do, you'll feel that clothing ick of, I just don't want to wear this. You know what I mean. You don't have to remake the clothing piece. Even some small adjustments, shortening the shoulders, darting in the waist, can make all the difference. I alter most of my clothes. My nan is amazing. And I tell you, when I alter my clothes and they fit me perfectly, I pull them out to wear all the time. Moving on to lesson 6 now class, and that is sunglasses. I used to get embarrassed for wearing sunglasses when it's not sunny. And I live in England, so it's never sunny. But sunglasses hoist a basic outfit to the top of the scale and make you look no less than the girl who is confident, polished, stylish. The girl who's got her life together. They are also another opportunity to add in your personal style. For example, I love all these sunglasses and they add a different look each time. Lesson 8, essentially what I've been talking about this whole video, and that's personal style. Adding hints of your personal style, from shoes to bags to jewellery to makeup, they all show off your personal style and add to your outfit. And it's all of these combined that, no matter what your style is, separates a boring, basic, bland outfit from your now cute, put together look. Don't try to fit into outfits you see on Pinterest. A good outfit is made to fit around you. This gives you confidence and you'll always look good with confidence. Click the thumbs up to be a teacher's pet and I'll see you in my next lesson. I'll be keeping attendance. Bye!